which means that all compliance activities
Igikaro-ini gatagati ga kamiti ya Senate GUKINYANIRIA na urugamiriri wa ruhonge rwa ugani wa magoti rwa KRA nikuo ndereti ya mendekithia makwandikithia thimu ciothe riria ingira guku bururi-ini yumiririe.
This is purely for purposes of ensuring that we have that devices that are in this country are customed, or the customs has been paid. We are going. The public notice was principally out today. It's mainly targeted at importers and manufacturers. Yes, there's a passenger component to it, but there's going to be a follow-up communication and info pack.
Kuria maseneta monekire kuregana na watho uyu uri utanyite kwambiririo kurutithio wira kiambiririo-ini kia mwaka twerekeire, amwe ya amemba kamiti no makiutaura ta watho wa guthuthuria migendere ya kimbeca ya Kenya na itanya ria kumathingiriria kuriha magoti.
You are in the process of now linking your systems to our phones so that you can recover your taxes directly from our M-Pesa account or from the data we transact. I just don't know how that aligns to the existing Data Protection Act.
Kuna wandikithia wa thimu uroka uriria thirikari igetete kurika makiria hari thebu cia Kenya makiria aria marihagwo kuhitukira thimu na pay bills cia bengi. Senators magatariria ati haha hari kiihu kiumbekeirwo wa Kenya kuria maugite thirikari ya gwikora ikihotomia kihoto kia Kenya hari guthurimwo hatari na gitumi kiiganu.
You put a lot of pressure by especially the executive to look for more money. It's also wise for you to advise so that if things don't go right, they know you'll have advised. You are at the policy level, so you should be able to generally advise. You know, it's good to tell the boss, I think for now this is not right. Not just to say yes sir or yes madam.
Nige kamiti no nimurikite ministry ya kigina irerekana gukorwo erehete bunge-ini mawatho matatu meru megemaini na ugani wa magoti. Riu ministry no ikiorotwo ni kwenda gucokia mamwe mamendekithia mawatho maria mareganirwo na mumutaratara-ini wa kigina wa mwaka wa 2024. Umwe wa magoti maria matanyite gucokio ari igoti ria nenda-ini kana digital asset tax.
Do you think the country has healed from the GNC issues for you as the experts in that area to reintroduce what was rejected by the country?
They are trying to introduce what we call digital tax levy, which was in the previous collapsed Finance Bill 2024. We did tie up with that issue now that the issue of digital tax levy is now becoming a new area where people now are earning remotely.
Ogikiro-ini giki KRA ni yaririirie ugani wa magoti na kigina kingi thirikari-ini cia county kuria cakaite gukorwo kigina kingi kirorera moko-ini ma thirikari cia county makiria kumana na wagi wa mitambo mikinyaniru ya kuhotithia undu uyu. Riu KRA ikiuga ni ihinda county ithondekerwo mutambo ungi. Hadunia Kameme TV ritorako ni Bataru wa Mwangi.